Good morning, everybody.
Hello.
Let's take some attendance. All right. There we go. Get it in. Get it in. Get it in. All right. Get it in. 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 Mm, 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 mm. All right. So, okay. So all we're going to do is do the last three problems from that worksheet yesterday to make sure you understand the ambiguous case. Then we're going to do one really quick thing on area of a triangle. It won't take long at all, and you should be good to go for both tonight's homework and tomorrow night's homework. So, okay. So they tell you the measure of A is 46, C is 33, A is 31. Find the measure of angle B. Okay. So again, you can put your letters anywhere you'd like. They give me A and C, so I put them on the bottom, but that's up to you. A is 46, little c, which is opposite, is 33. Little a, which is opposite, capital A is 31. All right. So sine 46 over 31 equals sine of c over 33. All right, we're going to cross multiply 33 sine 46. We're going to divide that by 31. We get 0.7657. All right. Thus, no solutions has been eliminated because the sign is less than 1. If the sign was greater than 1, you'd have no solutions and you'd move on. So now we do second sign and we plug in the 0.7657 and you get approximately 50 degrees. All right, now the supplement of 50 degrees is 130 degrees. If I plug that in, it works. Even though it's going to make that a very small angle, it doesn't matter, it is possible. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is when we have two solutions. Okay, one of which involving 50 and 130. All right, and then we're going to come up here. 46 and 50 is 96, 84. 46 and 130 is 76. Subtract that from 180 and you got 4. So you have two different possibilities. You need to find the measure of angle B. Okay, so that is why you have two different answers, 84 degrees or 4. All right, number 5. Okay. Number 5, the measure of angle C is 110, B is 31, C is 20. Again, there's the angle they give me, which is the 110. Opposite is 20. All right, opposite the capital B is the 31. So the sine of 110 over 20 equals the sine of B over 31. 31 sine 110 divided by 20. Sine B equals 1.4565. 1.4565, of course, is greater than 1. Therefore, in this ambiguous case, there is no solution. Whenever the sign is greater than 1, there is no solution. All right, and then we look at number 6. The measure of angle A is 129. Opposite that would be the 33. C over there is 25, so that's capital C. The sine of 129 over 33 equals the sine of C over 25. Sine 129 over 33 equals the sine of C. Sine of C is my 0.5887. I do second sine of 0.5887, and I get 36 degrees. The supplement of 36 degrees is 144 degrees. But if I plug that in with the 129, that's too big. So therefore, it's got to be the 36 degrees. And then add them up, 129 and 36, so one of the measured angle C, so there's my answer. So therefore, that has one solution. At this point, does everybody understand the difference between no solutions, one solution, and two solutions? All right. Okay, then let's do the one new thing today, which involves the area of a triangle. All right. All right. So plug in the values in the diagram and calculate the following. 1/2 AB times BC. So AB is 3. BC is 4. Half of 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Half of that is 6. So 6 units. We'll call it squared. Why do we call it squared? Because what measure of the triangle did you just calculate? 1/2 base times height is, of course, the area. Now, if we carry out the following calculation, 1/2 BC times AC. All right, so this would be 1/2 4 times 5 times the sine of 36.87 degrees. 4 times 5 is 20. Half of that is 10. 10 sine 36.87. And I get just about 6 units squared again. You will notice that those two answers are identical. That is because this is an alternative way for us to find area of a triangle. We're going to learn 2 different ways. One is this, one is next week. All right, so for the 2 calculations, they're equal. So therefore, area of a triangle formula using sines is 1/2 AB sine of capital C. All right, just so you know in a diagram, that's what we're talking about. All right, so it's the included angle, the angle between the 2 sides. And we can get the area doing 1/2 AB times the sine of C. All right. So if we look at examples of this, okay, if we were looking at this one, it would be 1/2, 4, that's the one side, 7 because that's the other side, times the sine of 145. 7 times 4 is 28, half of 28 is 14, 14 sine 145. And I get 8.0 for my answer. Centimeters squared. So to finish up for today, take about 4 minutes to do numbers 2, 3, and 4, please. Take about 3 minutes to do numbers 2, 3, and 4, please. All right. Everybody good with that? Anybody got any issues? And that's literally all you need to show with the homework is what you plugged in. So the 1/2, the 2 sides, and then the sine of the angle. All right. And that's about it. So it's a pretty straightforward process. All right. So before you depart, okay, don't forget, this is your ambiguous case that is due tonight at midnight. You got 10 of them. All right, there's plenty of space for you to include a diagram if that's what you want to do for work. That's completely fine. Just show the proportion you use, the ratios you use, and then post it today as the area using signs. All right, which looks like that. It's just 12 problems. You just have to show the one. So all I would see for this is like 1/2, 8 miles, 8 times 7 times the sine of 145. And then whatever your answers are. And those are the last 2 homework assignments for the week. Tomorrow, we're going to spend class doing the real world problems. All right, momentarily, I will post the answers to the homework that was due last night. All right, and if you have any questions about that, either of them tomorrow, we can do that as well tomorrow. All right. Okay. So is everybody good? All right. If you are good to go, then feel free to depart. All right. I will be online for the next 20 minutes. That was a really quick lesson. Good for you guys. All right. So I'll be here for the next 20. If you have a question, if not, have a good day.